Mostly cloudy after midnight. Lows in the mid to upper 30s. Tuesday, part.
Oh, there we go.
This is a test of the emergency alert system and NOAA weather radio's warning alarm. During potentially weather situations, the National Weather Service has signaled automatically activated receivers to warn of impending hazard. Tests of the receivers are normally conducted by the National Weather Service every Wednesday near 12 noon. When there is a threat of or existing severe weather in the area on Wednesday, the test is postponed until the next day without a severe weather threat. The following tones will conclude this test. The forecast for the